Chattanooga family is seeing the aftermath after flooding forced them from their home last week. Antoniece Padgett says she was at work when she got a call that her house was flooding. Her family got out the house okay and took shelter across the street. The flooding was so bad, the Red Cross stepped in and put them up in a hotel.
The last few days have been more mentally exhausting because you still have to deal with it being reality. It's being real. It actually happened. You know, nobody ever thinks that it's going to happen to me, but it happened.
Padgett says they could not salvage much from the home aside from some clothes, and they're now looking for a new place to live.